one big major thing that will definitely help you during your CPC exam is label each page with what body part is being worked on in this area. So if you're at the very first set of codes, which is like 50365, that's all done by the kidneys. Everything on these pages is all kidneys. If your exam question is working on some other body part, if you're repairing some other body part, you're not in the first 3 pages of the CPT book under urinary. Then once you get to codes 50600, you're doing only repairs and working on the ureter. That's it. And that goes on for 3 or 4 pages. Then you get to codes 51020 and you're working only on the bladder. So if your repair was not on a bladder alone, you might go through the urethra to get there, but if you're not working on a bladder repair, then you're not in these sets of codes. And then you've got a combo code where you're actually doing repairs on the urethra and the bladder both at the same time. That starts with codes 52204, and that goes on for a couple of pages. And then you'll have the prostate at the end. So knowing just even what body part you're working on per page will help you keep straight in your picking out the correct answers during your CPC exam in the urology section for sure.